Good afternoon, everyone. I'm on today to do a complete flip of the Lapbook project that I've been working on with Lisa from Lisa My Eclectic Life. I added a few little charms, and I was really pleased when I figured out the closure. What it is a couple of Tim Holtz little buckles. And this happens to be a piece of leather that I took off of a wallpaper book. It was the handle for the wallpaper book. And as I told you last time, I used wallpaper to cut out from wallpaper to do the decorating. As you can see, I put the same buckle on the back. Picked up something. And I decorated the back as well. I also put a little decoration on the spine. I decorated it up as best I could. Let's see, we're as far out as I can get, guys, so I'm sorry. But I'm just going to go through this one section at a time and show you it all. I only used 2 books, so I don't have quite as many flips as Lisa does, but I'm very pleased with how it came out. This one comes out like so, and it has a pull out. There's a gusseted pocket here, another pocket here, and I did add a few tags and things into the I saved out a little card that I was going to use to show you all the pockets. And I added some of these are little papers, just note papers that I added a little decoration to. And of course it flips out. Give me one second, I gotta pull it this way. It flips out this way, and we have a tuck space and an envelope. Another slightly gusseted pocket, another tuck space, and of course another envelope. Like I said, that one flips back and forth. That was one of the first things that I made. Then we have the belly band, which has not only this big space back here, but it also has a small space there and a small space here, so that you can go into it like that. And the page is decorated as well. Then in the center, I have 4 little folio journals. Let's get this out of the way. It wasn't anyway. That will come out. These are on elastics like Midori journals. The first one has a double pocket, like so. There and there. And it has a pad of paper in it. I did not put pockets or anything on the backs of these. They were more for this particular one is more for writing, and I didn't want a pocket behind the pad for fear it would make it difficult to write. This is the double pocket that it's angled here, you can see. And I have a couple of little things that I tucked in. Inside this one is the 6 pockets. I'm just double checking that you can see everything. See, all of these are pockets. And on the back of that one, there's another double slanted pocket. Okay, then this one has 2 big long pockets there, and it has a pocket and then a double pocket, plus envelopes. I guess it goes that way. let's open this and it'll be a little easier to see these. So there's 2 envelopes there, but behind these envelopes are pockets. So I put in a couple of tags in those pockets. I didn't put in too many tags and things. This was supposed to be sort of an empty one. Okay, and then on the back of this folio, because this is a pocket folio, so there's 2 removable folios that are just pockets of things. And then there's 2 folios that have more writing kind of thing. And this one has 3 stacked pockets, or tucks. I guess they're really more like tucks than pockets because they are not sealed on this side. And there are thumb spots to get to these pockets on this side, so that if something goes down in, it's a little easier to get to. And this is the last removable folio. Again, they come out. And because this is a writing one, again, I, of course, decorated the front. This one has a pocket in it. It's just a folded pocket. It's not gusseted. And then it has a stitched in signature. And I did decorate the inside and the outside of the covers. I just didn't add pockets on the back side of these. Okay, so then the next section, let's get this out of the way and slide over a little bit. There we go. This next section is the one that has lots and lots of pockets in it. It's got a pocket there, it's got a pocket there, plus it has a place, and all of these have a little decoration on them, just a little bit there. But it also has a tiny little pocket here that you could tuck some little thing in. And then if you open it this way, let's see here. Okay, this is a stacked tucks. Stacked tucks. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, and they do get bigger. They go all the way to the bottom. So there's room, and this one is room for something tall. Then again, this is another envelope, and it has a nice pocket in it. And there's a nice big tuck behind it. Okay, so then when that one folds up, let's move it open the other way. Get it all the way open. Okay, so now this is another belly band. No, it's not. This is a pocket. I forgot what I'm doing. This is a double pocket. This pocket is shallow right here, and then this pocket goes all the way back. So it's an opposing pocket is really what it is. So it goes like that, and then there's another pocket on this side. It's not a belly band. It kind of looks like a belly band, but it's not. And then this one is the angled pockets. Oh, that's decided to stick in there just a little bit. It has, each one of these slants is a pocket. So it's got a lot of tuck space. And then this one here. These book pages are not real heavy, so I did not leave them as tucks. I put them down, but they each have a pocket in them. Okay, so you can't get behind it, but there is a pocket there. And that's those 3. Then this is one of the, oops. One of the first ones Lisa did. And on this one, these are 2 pockets that they're sealed at the bottom. So they're both shorter, but you could put something tall in the bottom one. It would just go up higher. And then let's see here what we got room-wise. Okay, now this one, this is the envelope flip out. So these flip open, and there are pockets like that. I think we're going to need just a little more room. Let's just move over just a little bit. There we go. Okay, so these two pockets go like this, or envelopes go like that. They open, and then we open this one, and there's a tag in that one. Like I said, I made a few tags. I did not fill it up with tags. This one has another envelope. This one. And then we have this one that flips up. Oops, you can't see that one. There we go. And then this one will flip down. And you can't even see it. Just a second. There we go. And of course, oops, there's actually something in that pocket. How about that? And I did decorate both the inside covers. Oops, this one has to be folded in before we pull that one down. So this cover's decorated. And this cover's decorated. And then, come on now, behave yourself. There we go. And then the back cover is decorated as well. And this all buckles up together. Now it got a little crocodile mouth when I got towards the end, but there's plenty of room on this belt to make it open up even further if it fills up. See, there's more holes there and more holes back here. So there's lots of room to expand this a little bit. And that is my lap book, guys. Now let me see if I can find my book and read you a quote from our 1001 Ways to Creativity. Oh, I like this one. Creativity is a hopeful message in a bottle that we cast on the seas of time. Okay, guys, go have fun, make some art. Bye-bye.